7 Best Free Smart Home Routines to Automate Daily Tasks. 7 Best Free Smart Home Routines to Automate Daily Tasks. Smart home automation doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, some of the most useful routines you can set up cost absolutely nothing beyond the devices you already own. Whether you're just getting started with your first smart speaker or you've been living with automation for years, these 7 free smart home routines will transform how you manage your daily life. The best part? You can set up most of these today using apps and features that come built into your existing ecosystem. The first routine that changes everything for most people is the morning wake-up sequence. Instead of jolting awake to a harsh alarm, imagine your lights gradually brightening 10 minutes before you need to get out of bed, your coffee maker starting automatically, and your favorite news briefing playing through your smart speaker. This routine costs nothing to set up because it uses features already included with your smart lighting system and smart speaker. You're simply combining multiple devices into one coordinated action. The psychological benefit of waking up gradually rather than suddenly is enormous. And you'll notice the difference in your mood and energy levels from day one. Your morning routine can extend beyond just waking up. Consider creating a leaving for work routine that happens automatically when you leave your house. This routine can turn off all the lights in your bedroom and kitchen, lock your front door, and adjust your thermostat to an energy-saving temperature. Most smart home systems track when you leave based on your phone's location. So, this happens without you lifting a finger. You'll never again wonder if you left the bathroom light on or forgot to lock the door. This peace of mind is invaluable. And it happens through automation you set up once and then forget about. Arriving home is equally important to optimize. Your welcome home routine can unlock your front door, turn on your entryway lights, and adjust your thermostat back to your preferred temperature. If you have smart speakers in multiple rooms, this routine can even play soft background music or announce that you're home to other household members. Some people add their favorite podcast or audiobook to play automatically as they walk through the door. This routine transforms the moment you arrive home from fumbling with keys and switches into a seamless, welcoming experience. Evening routines deserve just as much attention as morning ones. A bedtime routine is one of the most popular free smart home automation tips people implement. This routine can dim all your lights over the course of 15 minutes. Lock your doors, close your smart blinds, and set your thermostat to a cooler sleeping temperature. You can add white noise or sleep sounds through your smart speaker, and even have it turn off all entertainment devices like televisions and gaming consoles. Instead of doing 10 different tasks before bed, you simply say one command, or press one button, and your entire home settles down for the night with you. Entertainment routines are genuinely fun to set up and use. Create a movie night routine that dims your living room lights to 15% brightness, closes your blinds for better screen contrast, and sets your smart speaker to do not disturb mode so notifications won't interrupt you. Some people add a routine that orders snacks from their preferred delivery service. Though that particular step isn't free, the automation part itself costs nothing, but it makes your entertainment experience feel genuinely premium. You could also create a gaming mode routine that does similar things but perhaps keeps some accent lighting on for ambiance. Cleaning day becomes less of a chore when you automate it. Set up a routine that starts your robot vacuum at a specific time each week, opens your smart blinds to let in natural light for cleaning, and plays upbeat music through your speakers to keep you motivated. If you have smart plugs controlling your other cleaning appliances, you can include those too. This routine doesn't do the cleaning for you, but it removes friction from the process and creates a structured time for household maintenance. Many people find they're more likely to actually clean when their home is already set up to support the activity. Meal preparation time can be enhanced through smart home routines as well. Create a cooking mode that turns on your kitchen lights to full brightness, sets your smart speaker to a cooking timer function, and maybe plays music or a cooking show through your smart display. If you have a smart oven or range, you could include preheating in this routine. This routine removes the mental load of remembering to turn on lights and set timers, letting you focus on actually preparing food. It's a small thing, but small things add up when you're managing a busy household. The beauty of these free smart home routines is that they work with whatever smart home ecosystem you've already invested in. Whether you're using Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, or Samsung SmartThings, each platform offers the ability to create custom routines at no additional cost. The only investment required is time spent setting them up initially. Most routines take just 5 to 10 minutes to configure, and you'll save far more time than that every single day once they're running. If you're looking to expand your smart home setup and want to discover which devices offer the best value for your budget, you can find curated selections of affordable smart home picks at smarthomeunder.com. They focus specifically on helping people build comprehensive smart homes without breaking the bank. And they test products to make sure they deliver real value. The key to successful smart home automation is starting simple and building from there. Don't try to automate everything at once. Pick one routine that would make the biggest difference in your daily life. Set it up this week, and then add another routine once you're comfortable with the first one. This approach prevents overwhelm and helps you discover which automations actually matter to you, versus which ones sound cool but don't fit your lifestyle. So here's my question for you. Which of these routines would have the biggest impact on your daily life right now? Is it the morning wake up, the bedtime routine, or something else entirely? Leave a comment below and let me know which automation you're going to set up first. I'd love to hear about your experience once you get it running. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.